We read a story yesterday. Can anybody remember what story we read?
Jack and the Beanstalk.
Jack and the Beanstalk. Can you tell me, what is a beanstalk?
Yeah.
Go on then.
It's like a big. It grows up into a stalk.
It is a bean.
And it grows into a stalk. They grow it in the garden. But it's a magic bean.
Yeah, it grew into a
Was
beanstalk.
it a normal bean?
Was it a normal bean? Or was it a magical bean?
A magical bean.
A magical bean. Now, the magical bean could grow into a ginormous beanstalk that went right up through the clouds into a magical land. And we wrote about that yesterday. I've got a bean here, and it's called a special type of bean. You can buy lots of different beans. You can have runner beans, green beans.
What's a runner bean?
It's a type of bean.
Does it run?
No, it doesn't run. Now, these are broad beans. Broad beans. And I'll read you the packet here. It says, a popular and trusted long pod variety. One of the most reliable, producing well-formed pods that contain 6 to 8 delicious white beans in each pod. Now, we're going to grow our own beanstalks, but because they're not magical beans, they're just going to be normal beanstalks. We're going to start by potting them into some little pots. I've just got little plastic cups, but you can use whichever pots you want. At your house you might have got proper plant pots. We also need some of this, and we used this in our paint last week. Do you remember what it's called?
Yeah, soil.
It's not soil. Excellent. Compost. Let's say that word. It's a 2-syllable word. Compost. Now the compost is in here, so you need to dip your pot in the compost, nice and full, like that. Can you see how full it is? Can you see how full it is?
Yeah.
Then I want you to choose one bean. Now you've got to look at the beans and choose the one that you think is yours, the one that you want. And I'm going to choose this one. This is mine. There it is. Can you see the shape of the broad bean?
It's circular.
It's a bit like an oval, isn't it? A bit like egg-shaped, perhaps.
Yeah.
I wonder if they're all the same shape and size. We'll have to look at that. And then what you need to do is put him in his composty bed. There he is. Push him right down and cover him over.
Can we write our names on them?
Yeah, we'll write our names on the pots. What do I need to do now then with it?
Give it some water.
Ooh. Give it some water and what else?
Fill it.
Find somewhere that
I might put my
it will be
next
safe. Does it need anything else apart from water? A little bit of water every day, so we don't want too much water. Do you know what else it needs?
Sun and air.
It needs sun. Because if it hasn't got the warmth and the light from the sun, it won't grow. So it needs a little bit of water, not too much water because it doesn't want to go for a swim, and sunshine. So don't put it in a dark place, will you? Put it in a light place. Shall we all have a go? We are getting our compost. Would you like to get your compost?
Can we go right on the
Here is the special pen that we can use, but don't get it on your hands because it's permanent. That's right, get your hands in the compost. How does it feel?
Soft.
Soft? It does feel soft, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I thought that.
And dirty.
Come and choose your bean
This
now.
doesn't really work.
It's a bit light, but we can still see it. Permanent ink means you can't wash it off very well. Have you chosen the bean that you believe is yours?
I'm next.
They're not all the same shape and size, are they?
This
They're
one's
different.
like the colour of my hair.
Is that the one you've chosen?
Yeah. Choose the bean.
Why did you like that one? Because it's the same colour as your hair?
Yeah.
Which one?
Put him in his soil bed.
I'm going to tell Push me
That's it.
Don't
Cover him
have to
over.
go in next to mine.
Have you planted it?
That's
You
fine.
planted yours?
Have you
Nice,
chosen
that's
your
lovely.
bean?
See a little bit.
Oh, cover him right over.